Hey kids, welcome back, and it's me again, teacher Terrence here. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the solutions for Fun Math Practice Day 6. Let's read the first question. The graph below shows the number of guests who visited the National Museum during first 6 months of 2019. All the horizontal lines are equally spaced. If the total number of guests who visited them in January and May were 200 fewer than those in June, how many people visited the museum in total during the 6 months? So now, students, it tells that each horizontal line are equally spaced for this one, equally spaced. And the total number of guests in January and May were 200 fewer than in June. So in January, we have 2 space. So let's add the 2 space in May. So now we have 3 space in total to compare with June. So May plus January, we have 3 space, and June, we have 5 space. Let's find the difference. So 5 minus 3, we got 2. And this 2 space indicating 200 difference, which means each space is supposed to be 200 divided by 2, we get 100. So this every space of it starting from here, we have 100. So how many people visited the museum in total during the 6 months? Now we just need to find how many space that has been shaded for every month. Now for January, we have 2. February, we have 4. March, we have 5. And April, we have 3. May, we have 1. And June, we have 5 as well. So let's total how many space that has been shaded. So 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 and plus 5. So this next month, how many space that have? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. And plus another 5, we have 20. So 20 space has been shaded. So since each space is representing 100 guests, so 20 multiplied with 100, and we get 2,000. So as a conclusion, 2,000 people visited the museum in the total during the 6 months. Now let's move to the question 2. Now it's a little bit harder, but let's go through together. The following bar chart shows the amount of money Mary spent in dollar in the first 5 days of the last week. All horizontal lines are equally spaced. The day with the second highest amount of money spent, and the day with lowest amount of money spent differ by 60 ringgit Malaysia. On the following Saturday, Mary spends of the total amount of 1/5 money spent from Monday to Friday. How much did she spend on Saturday? Now, for every space is equally, and we need to find how much is actually representing for each space. So the second highest. Which one is the second highest? Tuesday, second highest. And the least one is Friday, which is this one. Now, to compare both of these, there are 3 space of differ, which is 4 minus 1, and we get 3. Now, differ by 60 ringgit. So if let's say 3 is actually representing RN 60, what about 1? How much is actually representing? So 60 divided with 3, and we get 20. Right? So 1 space is actually representing 20 ringgit. Again, we need to count how many space that has been shaded for each day, for every day. So here is 2 for Monday, 4 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday. Tuesday we have 5, and Friday we have 1. Let's total up. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 and plus 1. So 2 plus 4 we have 6, 6 plus 3 we have 9, 9 plus 1 we have 10, and plus 5 we have 15. So there are 15 spaces that has been shaded. Now we need to get the total amount spent in these 5 days. We need to use 20 multiplied by 15. So 20 multiplied with 15, we get 300. And it says here, we need to find how much she spent on Saturday. Saturday, she spent total amount of 1/5 amount money spent from Monday to Friday. So we need to use 1/5 multiplied by 300, and we get RN 60. So as a conclusion, Mary spent 60 ringgit Malaysia on Saturday. So thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye-bye.